Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of My Random Eats. I'm Charles Jamerlan, and today we're going to do a street food and flea market tour of Boroichi, which is a flea market that happens 2 times every year here in Setagaya. Once in January and once in December, and we're going to try to check out all kinds of street foods, all kind of different things you can buy here. But most importantly, we're going to go try and eat as much street food as we can. So come on, let's go check it out. We have here Mickey, and tell us what we have here.
So we've got Sardine Fishcakes.
What do you call this in Japanese?
Iwashi no genkotsuage.
Okay guys, so we're gonna try this sardine fish cake. First meal of the day. Oishii.
Ooh, oishii?
Oishii yo ne. Oishii yo ne. So good. A lot of flavor.
What is in there? 何が入ってる?
Fish cake, some onions. So only 350 yen for this. And we have here Kyopon.
My mom.
Okay, and down here we have a different kind of fish cake.
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Do you see any difference?
Yeah, I think maybe edamame. There's some
Edamame?
yeah.
Or?
Edamame.
Ooh.
Edamame. Some scallions.
Huh? Kobu. Kobu means seaweed in it.
Oh, kobu.
And hijiki probably.
I see.
So next stop.
Yeah, what do you have here?
Ayu. Grilled ayu.
Okay, so it's grilled fish. Good?
Crispy outside, very soft inside.
How much does it cost?
600 yen.
All right. All right, guys. So we have here a conch shell. I think it's a conch shell yakitori.
It's not yakitori, skewers. Kushiyaki.
Kushiyaki, which are skewered food, and this is a conch shell.
Yeah.
Can we try?
Flavorful.
It's delicious. A little chewy. These are 500 yen for 3, I believe. All right, what do you have there?
Konjac bowl.
What's konjac?
Konjac is a potato.
Oh, okay.
One kind of potatoes. Mountain potatoes?
Okay. How is it?
Oh, hot. Actually, hot.
That's sweet.
Oh, spicy. It's so spicy.
Chotto karai?
Chotto karai.
Oishii. Not spicy. Oh, okay. It's spicy.
It is spicy.
It's spicy, yeah. It's very like firm. A little bit like a hard jelly almost.
Jelly.
Yeah. It's delicious. There's 150 yen per skewer. Oh, for 3. Yeah, for 3 balls and 1 kushu. All right, moving on.
I will try.
Try it. Oishii?
美味しい。これってどれですか? So good.
Oishii. Man, that was really good green tea. Very natural, very fresh. Flavor.
I buy it.
Alright, I think we're gonna go buy it. This place is pretty packed. And since it only happens twice in December and twice in January, yeah, it's a long stretch. I think over 700 street vendors that sell all kinds of different things. But yeah, it's pretty packed, and we're here. It's during the day. People are out of work, maybe taking a day off, or a lot of older people checking out this market. It's like bumper to bumper traffic here, right? Alright guys, we have here some mochi, which is basically mochi and a red bean soup dessert. It's normally served very hot. I actually do love this, and this is only 200 yen for this nice big bowl. Give it a try. Wow, so good. Very, very sweet. It's nice to eat on a very cool day, and a cold day. It's very comforting. So good, delicious. What is this?
Kimono fabric.
Okay, and is it a good price?
Yeah, it's very expensive normally. $100 from $100, but this is quite good, and then only $20 or maybe 2,000 yen.
Wow, not a bad deal.
Good deal.
According to Mickey, this is for carrying babies.
Yeah.
So what's so special about these cups and this pottery?
I think every piece has a different color,
Okay.
different shape.
So these are handmade?
Yeah.
How much do they cost?
Around from 3,000 yen
Two.
2,000 yen.
So what is this? Skimono?
Skemono.
And what is skimono?
Skemono means Japanese pickles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, a lot of kinds of pickles here.
Are they delicious?
I'm gonna try, actually. My favorite, it's called takuan.
And what kind of vegetable is that?
It's white radish.
Okay. How is it?
So good.
Oishii. Arigato. Okay, what do you have here?
I have tanshichi.
Which is basically what?
It's ox tongue
Ox tongue.
and a lot of vegetable in stew. It's
Okay.
not curry.
It's beef stew.
Yeah, beef stew.
Okay. Nice.
Very nice.
How's that ox tongue?
Ox tongue. Yeah.
Tender?
Very tender.
And how much did we pay for this?
500 yen.
Wow, nice.
I see. Oh.
Alright guys, so finally we have a chocolate banana, or better known here as the chocolate banana. And as you see, it's just the banana covered in chocolate with sprinkles. Yeah, you can't go wrong with this. Here we go guys. Like anything dipped in chocolate, so good, so sweet, so fresh. There's just another bite on camera. So good. And a bargain at 250 yen. You gotta get one of these. To end the day here at Boroichi. Alright guys, we had a great time here at the Boroichi Market. And as I mentioned, it happens twice a year, once in January and once in December. And it happens on January 15th and 16th and December 15th and 16th here at the Setagaya Ward in Tokyo. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, please support the channel, and we'll see you guys again on the next food adventure. Take care.
Bye.
Japanese rake for all your back scratching needs. Only 450 yen.